Do you need two-way communications equipment that's reliable, quick to deploy and requires limited infrastructure whilst providing clear audio and superior build quality with numerous use cases? Then stay tuned, because I've got the solution for you. Hello there, I'm Dean, BDM for New Technologies here at Airsys Communications, and welcome to what is the first in a series of what we're calling the Airsys Espresso Sessions. In these sessions, I'll be taking you through the expanded technologies products available from Motorola Solutions, providing a general overview of functionality, applications, and how to commission from a reseller point of view, and I'm sure many other topics of discussions. The purpose of these sessions is to bring the ever-evolving new technologies from Motorola Solutions to the forefront and discuss the relevant key talking points, integrations and overall benefits in a short and sweet, easily consumable format. With that in mind, should you have any questions or if you want to see something specific in future sessions, feel free to reach out to the team here at Airsys or use the comments section below. As hinted in the cold open and fancy marketing transition, this espresso session will be focusing on the WAVE PTX solution from Motorola Solutions. The available devices and their key features, a visual overview of the device itself, along with the subscriptions and their differences, including subscription lengths. And the main reason for this particular espresso session being the recent price change from Motorola. So be sure to reach out to the team here at Airsys and find out what that is. Now, if you're unsure or are new to two-way communications, you may be thinking, what on earth is WAVE PTX? Well, WAVE PTX is a carrier-independent push-to-talk subscription service from Motorola Solutions. It connects teams at the push of a button across different networks, devices, and locations. It eliminates the barriers in between, allowing everyone to be part of the conversation. You may also hear this solution defined as broadband push-to-talk over cellular. WAVE PTX is managed remotely through a centralized Motorola web-based portal for the ability to make changes as and when required. So, how does it work, I hear you saying? Well, let me provide you with the most effective explanation I can come up with. Step 1, choose the device you want to have. Step 2, choose the subscription for that device. Step 3, choose the length of the subscription. Step 4, add the devices to your Motorola WAVE PTX portal. Step 5, create channels and assign devices to those channels. Step 6, you have a quick to deploy communication system with no additional communications infrastructure required, so long as you have 4G cellular connection and or Wi-Fi connection. Full transparency though, there are additional features and settings that you can play around with to enhance your WAVE PTX usage and experience. But I'll be discussing these in later espresso sessions, so keep an eye out for those. Let's talk about why you might implement WAVE PTX as a solution. Your users could already have their own Android or iOS devices and they don't want to carry another device. Your users could be geographically dispersed and have no other communications equipment. Users don't want the initial costly expenditure of traditional two-way communications, including the equipment and installation. They require instant PTT communication. They want the predictable cost where no usage-based call charges are applied. They could want any of the other valued benefits that WAVE PTX offers. So now we know what WAVE PTX is and how it works, we can now move forward and discuss what is available to function and work under the WAVE PTX solution. This can be broken down into subscriptions, Motorola TLK devices, bring your own device with applications, and dispatcher consoles. Dispatcher consoles will be looked at in a future Airsys Espresso session. So again, stay tuned and look out for that one. So with subscriptions, there are two different types, collaboration and safeguard. The differences between the two are that safeguard provides additional safety and monitoring features when compared to the collaboration variant. I'll put a link in the description to a PDF that explains these differences in more detail. Dependent on the device you wish to use will depend on the subscription you require, and then your choice of collaboration or safeguard, and of course how long you want to use it for. In terms of devices, we have a multitude of Motorola devices with the TLK range coming with either an embedded roaming SIM or a SIM-free option whereby you would provide your own data SIM. It is worth noting, however, that the TLK25 is currently a Wi-Fi only connection device. We also have the Android OS based Ion hybrid device incorporating DMR, telephony, and all working on Google's open app architecture. And lastly, we have the option to bring your own device and have an application subscription, turning your own device into a WAVE PTX communicator. Let's now take a look at the devices that are available to us, get an overview of them, and look at some of their key features. So this is the TLK25. Sleek, smart, safe, yet compact, rugged, and powerful. It has an integrated voice assistant, Wi-Fi only, but we can have up to 5 SSIDs. We have Bluetooth connectivity, a dedicated emergency button on the top, a large full body PTT on the front, and crescented operating status LEDs at the top and the bottom, and through the middle we have battery status LEDs. We have up to 96 channels, 300 contacts, and 12 hours battery life, an IP rating of 67, USB-C charging, a 3.5mm jack with Motorola mechanical lock, and we have a built-in accelerometer for full alert. This is the TLK100, rapid, reliable deployment, use wherever your network takes you. We have 4G and Wi-Fi connection with up to 5 SSIDs. We have GPS, Bluetooth built in. We have a dot matrix hidden display which would scroll across the center. We have a channel rocker for channel change and a traditional PTT button on the side. Again, we have up to 96 channels, 300 contacts, but we have up to 18 hours battery life, an IP rating of 54 with micro USB for charging on the side, a 2.5mm audio jack with Motorola mechanical lock, this is the TLK110, designed for you and built to last, flexible, reliable and rugged, 4G and Wi-Fi connection with up to 5 SSIDs, GPS and Bluetooth built in, with a dedicated emergency button on the top, 2-line monochrome display, built-in accelerometer for full alert, a channel rocker for channel change, traditional PTT on the side, up to 96 channels, 1,000 contacts, and up to 18 hours battery, IP67 rating, USB Type-C for charging, and a 2.5mm audio jack with Motorola mechanical lock. This is the TLK 150, designed for ease of use, built for the job and compact. Vehicle or desktop mountable, 4G and Wi-Fi connectivity, integrated Bluetooth, a dedicated emergency button on the front, a 2-line monochrome display, and the PTT is through the accessory. Up to 96 channels with 300 contacts, powered using mains or vehicle battery, a IP54 rating with an external LTE and GPS connection to an antenna, a front RJ45 accessory connector, and a rear 20-pin MAP connector. This is the Motorola Ion, designed and built to keep your workforce connected anywhere you do business. Full Android operating system, 4G and Wi-Fi connectivity, including telephony, DMR compatibility, GPS and Bluetooth are integrated with a dedicated emergency button on the top, a traditional 2-way radio channel switch and volume knob, built-in accelerometer for full alert, a large touchscreen main display with a separate top-down view display to show pertinent information. Well, that concludes this Airsys Espresso session. Be sure to like, subscribe, click that bell notification icon so you don't miss the next instalment. And also remember, post your comments and questions down below and I'll endeavour to get back to as many as I can. In the next episode, I'll be running through the WAVE PTX portal, giving you a brief guide and navigation to the basic actions. I look forward to seeing you all next time. Don't forget, bring your espressos.